Our strategy to become net zero carbon by 2035 fits into our values as a business. We respect the environment, we respect our clients' needs, and we respect each other so that we ensure that we are reducing the impact on the environment with all the measures that we are doing, whether that's packaging, reducing energy, or using the lowest embodied carbon materials available on the market, combined with independent verification by third-party assessors to make sure that we deliver what we promise. The first action we've taken to move to clean energy is to ensure that our electrical supply comes from a REGO registered electrical supplier. So that's a company that can prove independently that its electricity is renewable and its energy is generated from a clean source such as solar or wind.
I feel that most industries suffer from a degree of false advertising around environmental claims. Greenwashing is a problem that's epidemic across most industries at this time, as companies are keen to cash in on environmental claims for their products. Too many companies don't have third-party verification for the claims that they make, and therefore a lot of the information contained is misleading to the general public. I'm keen to do everything that's possible to reduce Optima's carbon footprint to zero. Personally, for us, this is something that we're accelerating, and this is where our engagement with Tunley really began.
Hi, my name is William Beer. I'm the CEO of Tunley Engineering. We're trusted scientists that decarbonise. And we do that predominantly across two services: net zero roadmaps and an organisational carbon reduction, and embodied carbon reduction, so the emissions associated with the products.
Tunley helped us to look for projects and ways to reduce both our operational carbon and the embodied carbon in the products that we manufacture. From the pathway that we developed, a number of the areas that we looked at have been things such as air source heat pumps, which we've already introduced into one of our buildings, removing completely the need for fossil fuel heating of that space. We've also introduced a number of electrical combi boilers across the site, removing fossil fuel heating and hot water generation. We've made a major step in adopting CIRCAL 75R, a unique aluminium billet which contains 75% post-consumer recycled content with the lowest embodied carbon of any aluminium currently available in the marketplace today.
Which alone will save 3,261 tonnes of embodied carbon.
That's the equivalent of removing 8 million miles driven by a car. At Optima, we're constantly looking at ways of self-improvement and additionally looking for opportunities to make our industry better.